This type of nature reels is going viral nowadays all over the internet, especially on Instagram. A faceless Instagram account has gained over 4 million followers in just a few months and is making thousands of dollars every month. I will show proof of how they are earning thousands of dollars. The best part of this video is that you can create similar videos in a very short time without any script or voiceover. You will need 3 things: prompt collection text, to image generation image, to video generation. I have collected some prompts that will help you generate the best images. However, if you don't watch the entire video, you won't be able to generate images properly using the prompts. Your results won't be the same. You need to use some tricks, so don't skip the last part of the video. Now, let's watch one of their videos. To make a similar video, we are going to follow 3 steps. Step 1, generate an AI image. To do that, we are going to use an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI. You can sign in using any Gmail account. After signing in, you will see this interface. With a free account, you get 150 tokens daily, which is enough to create these viral reels. Let's generate an image. Look, I've already created some images that look amazing. I'll give you a prompt to generate an image. Here I will select the anime style and keep the ratio at 9:16. Then click Generate. Wow, what a picture! It's exactly what I wanted. I'll download one of these images, and once the download is complete, we will go to Immersity AI to convert the image into a 3D animation. Sign in with any Gmail account here as well. After logging in, you'll see this interface. Now, we'll upload the image we saved. It will take a little time for the image to convert into a 3D animation. Now, see the full 3D vibe. It looks completely realistic. You can change the animation styles to whichever you prefer. There are manual settings to adjust the animation as needed. Then I'll export it, selecting MP43D motion with a standard export size. And 30 FPS is enough, so I'll keep it at 30 FPS and export it. It will take a little time. Once the export is done, we'll download it and import the animation video into CapCut for editing. We'll copy this animation video to create another one with the same style. We'll add a transition to keep the animation style consistent. Now, let's play it to check if everything is in order. If everything is fine, we'll add a viral music track. I'm adjusting it to fit. Now, all done. Let's look at how people are making huge amounts of money per month by creating similar videos. Check out this Instagram account. They're selling a course on making these types of videos for $100 and selling each image for $3. So, you can earn money by selling images and videos. Hope you guys learned something new from this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.